spread out a little bit. Good play, good play.
Sorry guys, didn't want to shoot you so close.
That's okay. Don't yell at it. Don't yell at it. You don't need to hurt the pup.
Nice rush, man.
Hey, stay right where you're at.
I'm the medic.
He's not.
Oh, never mind then.
Now red team needs to push out.
I'm down one, so I got 2 more lives.
Medic's still alive. There's the red medic. Okay, both medics are still alive.
There's a guy moving around this side. You dead?
All right. Blue team, really quick protection squad.